Hello. At AUDONIS, we understand how crucial organization management is, so we've made it easier for you. To get started, head over to the website and select Account in the navigation bar. Next, click on Manage Organizations. Here, you'll see a list of all the organizations you're a part of or that you own. If you're the owner, you have the option to change the name of the organization by clicking the gear icon and selecting Change Organization Name. You can update the name to whatever you like, but keep in mind that this can only be done once a month. To explore more details and options for an organization, click Open. At the top of the page, you'll see the number of submissions your organization has made this month, as well as the total number of submissions stored within your organization. If you want to invite a new user, simply type their email address into the Invite Member section and click Invite. The invited user will receive a notification when they log in, which they can select to accept or decline the invite to your organization. Once a user is invited and has accepted the invitation, they'll automatically be assigned to the Contributor role. This role allows them to enter and view data, but they won't be able to create, delete, or edit any forms, plots, or scouting entries. If you want them to have these permissions, you'll need to promote them to an admin. Alternatively, if you only want the user to view data, you can demote them to a viewer. On the right side of the page, you'll see a detailed list of what users can do based on their current role.